this shirt. I love this shirt, but I swear it chokes me so much right here where I'm like, ugh. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have a help me. That is right, you guys. I did participate in the Sephora winter VIB sale, so I got some stuff. I'm gonna show them to you guys, and there's a few things in here. Obviously I've looked at them, but there's a few things in here that I was like so sad about. It made me really upset, but I want to show you them anyways. So you guys, if you want to see what I did get in the haul for the VIB winter Sephora, let me try that again. If you want to see what I got for the winter VIB sale from Sephora, then just keep on watching. And then one thing I want to say before we do start off this haul is that I wanted to just throw out a little disclaimer here. No part of me is ever trying to be braggy or like boasting about the stuff that I do end up getting. I just want to show you guys what I do get in these hauls because I like doing hauls a lot. But no part of me is trying to be like, I'm better than you, or I'm this or I'm that, because that's not who I am, literally at all. But I wanted to just let you guys know that there's no malicious intent whatsoever when it comes to doing these hauls at all. But yeah, with that being said, let's jump right into it. So the first thing I picked up was actually a recommendation from a girl named Allie Glines here on YouTube. I'll have her picture right up here, and this was in one of her favorites. It's the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask. And I've heard everyone and their mom go on and on about the Don't Despair Repair hair mask, and I think this is kind of the same thing, but it's like honey scented instead. But I'm super excited. I really have been looking for a new like kind of deep conditioning mask, so I did want to try this out and see what I think. But the packaging is so freaking adorable. It's like in a little gummy bear, like a little honey bear. I love it so much. Next two things I picked up are the same brand. These are the Lancome Rouge Ruby Cream lipsticks. I got two of them. I got Bad Blood Ruby and Rosewood Ruby. I love this packaging and look how cute it is. And then to get it open, you like push down the top and then it comes out the bottom. It's so cute. And then, oh my god, I love the way they did this. I don't know how. Please don't mind these swatches here. I filmed a video before this one and I did a eyeshadow review. This one right here, it'll be up first, so if you haven't seen it, I'll put it up here or up here or whatever. But I don't know how they got the tips of these to look like this. Like, it looks like a gem. That's so cool. I love this color. It's really, really pretty. Also, I got this one in the shade Rosewood Ruby. This was more of a nude color, but it's still so freaking pretty. I love these kinds of shades. They're some of my favorite lip colors to wear. Next up, I got one thing that a lot of people have been talking about. This is the brand new Hourglass Ambient Light palette. It's in the Ghost edition. This is their brand new one for the holiday time, and I'm really excited. I've never used anything from, well, I've used things from Hourglass, but I've never used one of these before, and it looks so pretty. So I think what you get is some bronzers, a couple of blushes, and then highlight shades, and then maybe a powder. I think that one's like a face powder. So I'm super excited to try these out. I've never used anything like this before, so I can't wait. I'm excited. Next up, I got this little cute eyeshadow palette from Viseart. This is their Dark Edit palette, and when I saw this, I was like,
yo, that's so pretty.
So it's in this really dark purple packaging, and then when you open it up, here are the shades. Oh my gosh, these like scream fall to me. I can't wait to use it. I have used a Viseart palette in the past and I really liked it. Next up, I got something from Milk Makeup, and I've been really liking this brand from the few things that I've tried. This is their highlight in the shade Lit. It's their Flex highlight. I actually got shown this by Kathleen Lights. Well, not personally. Me and Kathleen don't like talk. I wish we did, because I mean, I'd love to be friends with her. Are you kidding me? She's so fun. But this is a highlight, again in the shade Lit, and I watched her use it on her channel and it was like so freaking, ooh, wow. Oh my gosh, I haven't even touched it yet. Oh baby. Oh gosh, look at that. Wow. Holy wow. That is a highlight if I've ever seen one, folks. Folks? I don't know why I called you that, but all right. I got another Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. I've gotten these 2 other times and I keep getting my wrong shade. So I finally tried this one. This is in the shade Creme or Cream. I think it's Creme. So hopefully this one will finally match me. Like the first time I got the shade Chiffon and it was far too yellow, and then I got the shade Wheat and it was still too yellow, so I'm hoping this one will finally work. I got a couple of mascaras. I got this one right here from Pat McGrath Labs. This is their Fetish Eyes mascara. I also got recommended this by Kathleen Lights. She said it's one of her favorite mascaras. Oh wow. That's a huge applicator. Kind of reminds me of the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. But I can't wait to try this. I really love trying new mascaras. It's one of my favorite things. I don't know why. And then I got another one from Lilly Lashes. This is their brand new mascara. Oh, look how cute. I like this packaging. And this is the Triple X mascara. And it looks really cool. The packaging is quite sleek, and I haven't even, oh, okay. So it's quite similar to the other one. It does have a quite big applicator to it, but I can't wait to try this out too. I'm gonna have volumized eyelashes. I guarantee you. Next up, I got something from Patrick Ta. This is like the first thing from Patrick Ta I've ever gotten, and I'm excited. This is one of their new blushes. It is a Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush. And here's what it looks like. It is just kind of like a peachy pink, light pink peach shade, and I do like these kinds of blushes. I tend to wear quite pink blush because I like it. I don't know why, I just do. But I can't wait to try this out. And then got a couple more things in here. This is one of the last things. This is my first thing ever from Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury. And this is the first thing that I've bought. I've gotten a lipstick in a subscription box before, and I really did like the lipstick, so I'm excited to try this. This packaging is so pretty though, right? It reminds me of like Peter Pan. I don't know why. The second star to the right. And then here is what the actual packaging, like the component, looks like. Whoa, it looks like Christmas. Here are the shades. So in these palettes, you have like 4 different sections with 3 each. So the first section says Happy Glow, Love Glow, Dream Glow, and then Seduce Glow. So these shades look really, really pretty. I can't wait to use this. And now we're gonna go on to the things that really make my heart sad, that really make me sad. I got this palette from Pat McGrath. This is the Mothership. I'm trying to remember my Roman numerals. 6. 5 and 1 is 6. I mean, obviously, but like, you know how Roman numerals do. Eventually you end up like counting backwards, like 5 and then the I is over here instead of over here. Does that make any sense? Probably not. But this is this Pat McGrath's palette, and the palette itself is fine. It's just I don't know what happened right here. I know it's just the packaging, and I know a lot of people take their palettes out of the packaging, but like, I really love the Pat McGrath packaging. It's like a staple on its own, and I'm really sad that this just got totally ruined in the mail. I don't know what happened, but the palette itself is fine. Here are what the shades look like. Very, very gorgeous. I cannot wait to play with this purple. And then the last thing that I got really this makes my heart so sad. This is the Huda Beauty Nude Light palette. I was so excited about this, and I actually did hear about this one from Allie Glines also, the same girl that recommended this to me. And I saw this and I was like, oh wow, that palette is really, really pretty. I want to try that out because I love the new nude palette from Huda. And if you can see already, this one came completely and utterly destroyed. Oh no. I don't know what happened. I don't know if my mailman just hates me. I did email customer support at Sephora and they are sending me another one, so that's awesome. My new one's gonna be in the mail tomorrow, so it's not like I'm waiting for a long time to get it or anything, but it's just sad. But yeah, you guys, that has been everything in my haul today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. Did you participate in the Sephora VIB sale for the winter time? Please let me know. Let me know what you didn't end up getting. Let me know in the comments. I would love to know that. How many times can I say the word no in one sentence. But yeah, you guys, that is going to be the end of the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!